First, park the vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is off for safety. Empty the glove box of all contents to access the area. Then depress the glove box stops to lower it completely. Look for a plastic cover or panel at the top of the compartment. This is secured by clips or screws. Release the clips or remove the screws to access the filter housing. Remove the cover to reveal the filter slot. Pull out the old cabin air filter, noting the airflow direction arrow which points toward the back of the vehicle. The old filter will likely be dirty with accumulated dust, debris, and pollen that it has been filtering from the cabin air. Begin by inserting the new cabin air filter into the slot. Make sure the airflow direction arrow on the filter points toward the back of the vehicle. Next, replace the plastic cover over the filter housing and secure it with the clips or screws. Now, reattach the glove box by aligning it properly and pushing it back into place until it latches securely. Turn on the vehicle and test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and cooling. Check that air is flowing correctly and smells clean. Cabin air filters are inexpensive and easy to change. Replace them every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually to maintain good air quality inside the vehicle, preventing allergens and pollutants from entering the cabin.